The 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, RAV4 and RAV4 Prime, all small SUVs, qualify for safety awards from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Corolla Cross, a new model, and the RAV4 Prime, a plug-in hybrid, earn the higher tier Top Safety Pick Plus award. The RAV4 earns the lower tier Top Safety Pick when equipped with specific headlights. To qualify for either award in 2022, vehicles must earn good ratings in 6 IIHS crashworthiness evaluations, including the driver's side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, original side, roof strength and head restraint tests. They must also be available with a front crash prevention system that earns advanced or superior ratings in both the vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. For Top Safety Pick, at least one good or acceptable headlight system must be available. To qualify for the Plus, good or acceptable headlights must be standard across all trims. The Corolla Cross and RAV4 Prime come with a standard front crash prevention system that earns superior ratings in both the vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian tests. The standard LED projector headlights offered on the Corolla Cross earn an acceptable rating, while the optional curve adaptive headlights available with the XLE trim are rated good. The RAV4 Prime comes with good rated LED projectors, regardless of trim. While the RAV4 boasts the same superior rated front crash prevention system and good crashworthiness ratings, the LED reflector headlights provided on the LE trim earn only a marginal rating, preventing it from earning the Plus. All other trims, which are equipped with good rated LED projector headlights, qualify for Top Safety Pick.